Hey guys, it's Miss Booty, and I wanted to work on a little bit of our alphabet with you guys during Shine Time today. So this is our Halloween alphabet pumpkin patch. Alright, so we have some pumpkins and we need to cover up the letter sounds. So let's take a look at some of our letters. We know that this is the letter V. V makes the V sound. We know that this is the letter Q. Q makes the W sound. This is the letter B. B makes the B sound. This is the letter D. D makes the D sound. This is the letter C. C says K, K, K. This is the letter Y. Y says Y, Y, Y. This is W. W says W, W, W. And this is the letter S. S says S. Here's letter F. F says F. These are the letter sounds that a lot of you guys have been struggling with or missing. So what we're going to do right now is on your piece of paper, you have a picture of every single one of these pumpkins. I'm going to call out a letter sound, and you're going to pick one of these letters up here to write beside the pumpkin. Okay, so I'm going to call out a letter sound. All right, the first letter sound is the letter sound S. Which of these letters says S? Go ahead and write that down. The sound is S. Boys and girls, we should have written the letter S, just like this, beside this pumpkin. All right, which letter sound for this pumpkin makes the V sound? V. Think about that for a second and write that letter down beside this little pumpkin. This letter would be the letter V because V says V. Now, we're going to use this pumpkin. What letter would go beside this pumpkin? The sound is B, B, B. Which one would say B, B, B? Write that down. B, B, B. Good. It's the letter B. B says B, B, B. Now, we want to look at which letter sound says Q, Q, Q for our pumpkin right here. Q would be for question. Good. Qu, qu, question. Right here, we have the letter sound that says Y, Y, Y. Which one of these letters says Y, Y, Y? Good job. That would be the letter Y. All right, for this pumpkin, which letter says F, F, F? F, F, F. Good. Boys and girls, it would be this one. All right, let's look at our pumpkin right here. This pumpkin makes the K, K, K sound. Which one of these makes the K, K, K sound? Good. It would be the letter C. C says K, K, K. Which letter makes the D, D, D sound? D, D, D. Good. This pumpkin makes the letter D sound, which is T, D, D, D. Now, which one, this is tricky, makes the W, W, W sound? Which one would make the W, W, W sound? Write that beside this pumpkin that kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. W, W, W. Good job. All right, on your next page, you have all your uppercase letters that we've talked about. The letter V, the letter Q, the letter B, the letter D, F, C, Y, W, and S. And then you have your lowercase letters down here. So you have to match your uppercase to your lowercase letters. I cannot wait to see your papers when you're finished during this Shine Time and see how great you are at matching your uppercase to your lowercase letters.